Italian-style balsamic braised pot roast and cream cipollini with gorgonzola. Olive oil in your Dutch oven is what you want, with a couple cloves of garlic and a nice piece of chuck. Think Italian pot roast. Nestle that meat in with the garlic and lots of black pepper, of course. You know why to brown your meat, right? Browning is flavor. Oh yeah. Real flavor. That beef is beautiful, but it's taking up a lot of room. Set it aside and add the onions. 1-to-1 ratio, 2 pounds of beef to 2 pounds of onions. But you gotta caramelize them first, or they ain't gonna do you any good. 2 pounds of onions, got a lot of water, but a lot of flavor too. We gotta toast off some tomato paste. Deglaze with balsamic. Add beef broth. Some carrots and celery, big enough that we can pull out later. We're gonna boost balsamic flavor and sweetness with dried figs and add color with dark soy. A little Worcestershire for zing. Now you can nestle in that meat. Couple of bay leaves, a piece of parchment, and a lid. We need that to get tender. We're gonna get big sweet onion flavor with tiny cipollinis. But I don't got all day to peel them. We're just gonna cut the ends off first and give them a quick blanch. 1 minute is all it takes, and they're soft. And now the peel will come right off. No fuss. Remember that pan we were resting the beef in? Perfect place for the cipollini. I want to coat them in all that beef juice that's left. Don't knock it, that's good flavor. A knob of butter, and those got to get caramely. You should really smell these. Cipollinis are very special. Time to deglaze with some wine. Marsala wine. And a little chicken stock maybe. We want these to braise and get tender. You can tell that's tender. Oh yeah. Definitely. And those celery, carrots, and bay leaf, we're done with those too. But those figs will blend up nicely to give us a super smooth sauce. Yeah, that's going to be good. But we need to finish those onions still. Thyme, or in this case marjoram, and we're going to do these cream style with heavy cream. Cream cipollini onions is a classic. Cooked in balsamic is also a classic, but in this case, we cooked the beef in balsamic. Could we leave this alone? Sure. Or we could add some gorgonzola, which you know I'm going to do. Gorgonzola dulce, sweet gorgonzola. They also have gorgonzola picante. For this, we're using dulce. You know what this would be great over? Polenta with chives. Some of that Italian pot roast. Some of that amazing gravy. But for me, it's all about the cipollini. And that cipollini cream sauce.
Look at that creamy sauce. Get every drop of that and lick it off your plate.
Just give me the sauce.
I don't know. Meat is tender.
So tender.
Balsamic-y, onion, beef, sweet, creamy.
Cipollini.
This is just an onion lover's dream. That's bougie pot roast.
Balsamic pot roast and creamy gorgonzola cipollini.
That's full service flavor there. F***ing ridiculously good.